time for another nighttime walkabout. Recently, I walked up Midtown 5th Avenue during the day. I figured let's go back and check it out at night. If you're just finding this channel, I pick places in New York to go explore and take you with me, sometimes at night. So let's head back to Midtown, check out 5th Avenue in the dark. Let's go. Out of the subway. The 59th Street station on Lexington is unnecessarily confusing, but I made it. Now I'm working my way back over to 5th Avenue, and we'll see what we can see in the dark. I've walked this before, and a lot of these buildings look pretty beautiful at night. Park Avenue, we've seen that at night. Here's Madison, we've done this one at night also. And here's the Metropolitan Club. We saw that when we looked at 5th Avenue in the daytime. And we got Central Park over there. And here's the Plaza. So we're on 59th. We'll start walking downtown. So the Plaza, Bergdorf Goodman. Like I said, we just did this Midtown 5th Avenue adventure during the day not too long ago. So if you want some good information about all these buildings, check that video out. Tonight, I'm mostly just gonna be walking. So as the millionaires started moving uptown, originally the mansions were kind of in the Midtown area, or what we would consider the Midtown area, but then that started to become more retail even a long time ago. And so the millionaires started moving their mansions further uptown next to the park, which is where some of those mansions are still left. Over here though, we got the Cartier mansion. We saw that in our other 5th Avenue walk. So the Cartier mansion, and then George W. Vanderbilt's mansion, which is the one that's left of the Marble Twins. And then over here we got St. Patrick's Cathedral, and across the street is Rockefeller Center. That's 5th Avenue. Across the street, and I got the first views of the Empire State Building. Fred French building, remember that one? East 43rd, Grand Central's right down there. New York Public Library main branch at night. And then Bryant Park is right behind the library. They're just closing down the Winter Village this week. And then that's the Knox Building across the street from the New York Public Library. back to Greeley Square and catch the subway back uptown. I'm back up to the east side after another beautiful nighttime walk. If you're just finding this channel, be sure to subscribe. It really helps out. And check out all the rest of the episodes already available up to the east side on YouTube. Look for new episodes every Friday. Tell all your friends. I'll see you next time.